Hello everyone, this is Sam from Canada, Toronto. We are based in Toronto and we make custom front doors and garage doors. I would like to show you the machine which I bought from SMARTECH, and they have done an excellent job with this machine. Okay, this machine holds four tools, like 4 spindles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it does really good job. Okay, in terms of manufacturing different types of door items. Like this machine specifically helps you in making special types of different types of lock slots. Like you can see, this is a multi-point lock system. Okay, it can create different types of things like hinges, right? You can do a lot of hinges, different types of hinges, door closers, composite figures. You can do different things here. Okay, I'm just trying to do the homing right now, which I did. You can look at it. The whole unit is on the left. It has done the homing. I'm just going to move it around to show you how smooth operation it is. And one good thing about buying from SMARTECH is that they give you excellent support. The machine, her name is Lisa. She did very good job. They give you, one good thing about buying from SMARTECH is they do excellent job in customer service. They will take your calls and they will reply with proper videos how to do things. They are very professional in terms of selling their items, and they give you very good service. Like, you can mark my word on that. I always communicate with Lisa. Okay, their machine is very heavy duty. They give you options on how to make different types of items. Like I can show you here, right? You can see different types of hinges. You can select from here whatever you like. You can see this. These are special type of hinge. What you can see, you have different varieties of hinges which you can cut on the machine. Okay, and what else I can show you? There are countless items which you can use for this. With this machine you can do a lot of stuff. Here you go. See, these are different types of SMARTECH lock options. Double bore lock option. Then one good thing which I always use here is, you can look at this. You can actually create with this composite figure, you can create any type of options. Like, for example, I will tell you, let's say if I have a text option, I will select here. You will be surprised, you get so many different options to do. For example, here you go. You can create a line or whatever you want to make. There are already predefined figures here which you can use to cut on your door. See, this is one sample I tested here. See the different types of lock options you can do. See this multi-point lock system. And it takes 6 to 7 minutes to complete one setup. The machine is super fast.